So this question, find the exact area of triangle. So we have square AB C and D. Each side is 26 inches long. E is the midpoint of BC, and F the midpoint of CD. So we're trying to find A, so let's label this first. A, so that's E and F. Find the area of A, E, and F. Well, first, what do we know? So we know this is 13 degree, 13. Therefore, we can know that this base is 13 root 2. And that's we derive from because this is a 45 and 45 degrees respectively. And we know this because it's a 90-degree angle. Each side is equivalent, so therefore each side base angles must be 45 respectively. Now, for now we need to find the base for the height, sorry. So the height of this whole thing. So first, this part, let me use a different color. This part and this part is 45 degrees respectively, because remember the square bisects the whole entire thing. So this is 26, this is 20, this is 26. I am using the whole entire length, so here and here. Therefore, my length of this must be 26 root 2. And that's for this whole entire thing. Now for here, since we know this is 13 degrees, so this is 13, we would have to find the remaining height, subtract this portion. So in order to do that, this must be 45, because it's bisecting the whole thing. This is 45 from what we proved earlier, because of these two sides are the same. So therefore, I know this drawing was not to scale, so this therefore must be what? 13 divided by 2 times root 2. So that's this. All you need to do now is 26 root 2 minus 13 root 2 times the base, which we established earlier as 13 root 2. Isolate the root 2's. And if you multiply this out, you get these two become a 2, so this and this cancel out. So it's 26 minus 13. Hold on, I did the math wrong. This is not right. So first this one should be 26 minus 13 over 2 times root 2. So, and then times outside 13 root 2. These root 2's cancel out, so it's 26 minus 13 over 2 times root, no, just times 2 times 13, so that's total of 26. So 26 minus 6.5 times 26. Distribute that out. I do not have a calculator right now, but whatever that comes to be. So let me recap on what we did. So first, we found the height, so we found the base of this whole entire thing. We found the base, and we did this by multiplying, since both of these are 13 and this is 13, this must be 13 and root 2. That's the base. In order to find the height, however, we took 26 and 26, both of these must be 45 because by 6, this must be 26 root 2, and then we found the height of this, and we found that by, since we know this is 45, this is 45, but one of these legs must be 13 root 2 times root 2, and we found that by multiplying, by doing this. So the base times root 2 must equal to 13. And if you rationalize that, becomes 13 root 2 over 2. Hope this really helps.